There is nothing more frustrating than making a cacio e pepe and it doesn't turn out. You get the stringy cheese, the lumps, it's so frustrating. So I hope this recipe is gonna make you happy and will change your life for the better. Because everybody deserves to eat and cook cacio e pepe. I reacted to Babi's video making no-fail cacio e pepe and I was impressed. So let's see if this recipe can work. Let's see if this is a no-fail cacio e pepe recipe. I am intrigued. What we need for the no-fail cacio e pepe is 150 grams of spaghettoni pasta, a nice thick spaghetti. You cannot find thick spaghetti in your local supermarket, I know. Go online and find it. 150 grams of pasta is for about 2 people. Well, not really, for me, not even enough. We're gonna use 90 grams of grated, finely grated Pecorino Romano cheese. If you don't wanna use 100% Pecorino Romano, you can do a mix of Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano. Finely grated, please. There is no salt in this recipe because the cheese is very salty. We're gonna use pepper. We're gonna use a secret ingredient, which is butter. 50 grams of butter. Let me tell you one thing. I went to Rome to find the best cacio e pepes, and I did find. You can watch my video where I'm searching for the best cacio e pepe in Rome, and I actually discovered that some restaurants actually use butter in the cacio e pepe for a no-fail cacio e pepe experience. So let's see. There is no salt involved in this recipe because the pecorino and the parmigiano are salty already, so no salt needed. These spaghettoni need 13 minutes to be boiled, okay? So, boiling water and you put the spaghetti in. Now push in. You want the spaghetti to cook evenly. So now while the spaghetti cook, we prepare the cacio e pepe sauce. When I cook cacio e pepe, I like to use a stainless steel pan, copper pan, but of course, if you have a non-stick pan, great, very good too. The pasta will be ready in about 3 minutes, so now we have to be quick and make the sauce. Let's get some pasta water from the pot, which we're gonna use to make the cream. While the pasta is boiling, let's prepare the sauce. We get the blender, and we're gonna put the pecorino in the blender, okay? Let's add some pasta water. Not too much, just wanna see how you go. And blend it. It's not creamy yet. We want this to be creamy. Add more. A little bit at a time, not too much. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look how creamy this is. Let's add a little splash. Little extra splash of water. Look how beautiful this is. Very creamy. It's a cacio e pepe cream. See? We actually want to achieve. You see on the cheese, you see a little bit of little lumps. You can see those little lumps. Yeah, we don't want them. So let's put a little bit more water. Put a little bit more water in there. And then hot water, so it should be melting everything. By doing that, we can actually remove those lumps. All right, let's try it. Let's see if Babi needs to ride with this recipe. Let's try it. Now, all right, now guys, get a nice stainless steel pan. You can also get a non-stick pan if you want. Put this on a medium-low heat, and we want to melt the butter. All right, let's melt the butter. The butter should be the trick, the secret, the cheating secret to make sure that your cacio e pepe turns out. We got 1 minute left until the pasta is ready, and this butter will melt in less than a minute. In the meantime, let's crack some pepper. Beautiful, generous amount of pepper. Let's help the butter to melt. Beautiful. See, it's already creamy, so I believe we're not gonna fail now. I'm gonna put this on a very low heat, very, very low. We keep the butter nice and warm. The spaghettis are ready. Let's just taste one. Beautiful, perfectly cooked. Let's get the spaghetti out. Let's put them in the pan. We already have the pasta water on the side. So I guess what we're going to achieve now is because we're going to have we have butter going on the pasta. The pasta should become more silky. Guys, you want to be quick with this step. So let's toss. Just want to toast the pasta with the butter. Add a little splash of pasta water. But can you see it's already creamy? Because of the butter, it's already creamy. It's amazing. Beautiful. Switch off the stove at this point. Add a little bit more pasta water. It's already creamy. There's no cream, but see the butter there mixed with the pasta water already created the cream, which is crazy. That's how you cheat it. Look at that. Butter that looks like cream. This is what we have to do now. Here is the pecorino cream that we made before. And it's time now to put it in. Everywhere. I love tossing it now and see if this does the job. It's turning out. Look at that. The pasta is absorbing the sauce. I can see a little bit of probably lumps of cheese. But it is creamy. It is creamy. There's plenty of water in there, so you don't need to add any extra pasta water. Okay, so this is not the cacio e pepe cream I usually do. You can see yummy little bites of cheese stuck on the pasta, which is not what you normally see on a cacio e pepe. But the creaminess is there. The creaminess is definitely there. You can see lots of cream in the plate. And I think this it's a no-fail cacio e pepe. Let's add more. Pepper. Yeah, I think this could pass the test. Just need to try it. Guys, I think it's time to plate this beautiful cacio e pepe. Look how creamy it is. Look how nice it is. Well done for this beautiful recipe. Well done. Let's see how creamy this beautiful pasta is. Look at that. Oh yeah. Listen to the sound. That's the sound of creamy. It's a creamy sound. Even though you got these little bits of pecorino on top, it's good. It actually gives a nice extra bite, extra flavor to this. Let's see if this cacio e pepe. It's a cacio e pepe. Very creamy. The butter, it's cheating ingredient, but it makes it richer in flavors. It's a proper cacio e pepe. It's really yummy. It's easy to make. It's no fail. And I will definitely do it again. This is really good. I like those little bits of cheese stuck on the spaghetti. Normally when I make my cacio e pepe recipe, I make the cream very creamy and you don't get those bites. I still prefer my recipe because it's the original classic way. But I know you guys have failed trying it because it's not as easy. It's a 3 ingredients recipe, but it's probably one of the most difficult recipes out there. This no fail cacio e pepe recipe, it's a life-changing method, the life-changing recipe. So guys, give it a try. If you didn't do it, do it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. Guys, please write a comment below and let me know what you think. Is it good to cheat with the butter and the blender? I think it's good, but yeah. Thank you, I will see you on the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate.